This is the IRM Moto Gemini 1250 GSA installation video. These pegs fit R1250 GSAs and R1250 GSs with OEM crash bars. This product comes with a complete left set, a complete right set, and a hardware kit. We're going to start this installation by removing the lower part of this crash bar, and we're going to start that by removing the driving light wire from the two clips in front. The last part to remove this crash bar is to remove the 4 bolts. There's a T50, a T50, a T40, and a T40. Next, we'll remove the exhaust manifold nuts using an 11mm socket. Next, take the provided coupler nuts, thread the 3 onto the exhaust studs using a 13mm socket, and torque them to 21 Newton meters. Next, we're going to install a right side assembly. You'll notice there are 3 bolts provided, one of which is countersunk. And make sure you use thread lock when you install these. Next, we're going to reinstall the crash bar. Make sure you have both pegs open, and we're going to fish this lower peg through this opening. Now that we have the crash bar in place, reinstall the 4 bolts. Lastly, reinstall the wire clips. That's it for the installation. Repeat the same for the left side, and watch our adjustment video to learn how to tailor them to your height.